Another big win for the Hindu side in Gyanvapi as after 31 years, Hindus will be allowed to pray at the Gyanvapi.
The Muslim side meanwhile cries foul over the ruling.
आदेश आया है वो दाखिल नहीं किया
कमीशन की दो कमीशन रिपोर्ट एएसआई की और प्लस कमीशन की दोनों रिपोर्ट आई। दोनों रिपोर्ट में कहीं फाइंडिंग नहीं आई कि अंदर कुछ पाया गया या कोई ऐसे निशान पाए गए या कोई मूर्ति पाई गई इसकी हम पूजा पाठ करेंगे। आप खुद अपने प्लान में क्या रहे हैं कि 93 से हमको श्रृंगार गौरी का पूजा करने का अधिकार दिया था, पहले नहीं दिया था, अब नहीं दिए। 93 से बंद है, मार्केटिंग से घिरी हुई है। डिस्ट्रिक्ट जज ने कह दिया मार्केटिंग काट करके इनको पूजा कराई जाए, इसका क्या मतलब हुआ?
Hindu side gets another shot in the arm with the complex now open for prayers. Will it be Kashi after Ayodhya? Let's debate.
All right, let me go across and introduce our panelists this evening. We have very limited time, so we'll take comments from each one of our panelists. Sadhvi Jayabharti, Hindu scholar, joining us on the debate. Atikur Rahman, Islamic scholar, joining us live from Mumbai. We have Zubair Memon, also joining us live from Pune. He's a political analyst. Let me start with you, Sadhvi Jayabharti. Now, the court has allowed it. This is what the Hindu side wanted. The VHP has been asking for it. After 31 years, there are enough proofs, reports, pictures and a conclusion, and I had that conclusion somewhere here, that the ASI has said on record that there once existed a temple in that site, saying and concluding that it was a temple before a mosque came up in Gyanvapi. So this is exactly what the Hindu side wanted. It's another win. Sadhvi Jayabharti.
Your voice wasn't clear, but I could somehow make out bits from you. So yes,
Yeah.
I hope I'm audible. One thing that's very evident
Yes,
is like there was existing a temple. It can be made out even through bare eyes. But yes, what you see and I see does not make a record or an evidence in the court of law. So a scientific survey was commissioned by the court. It was on the order of the court. And we had been seeing a consistent denial.
Yeah.
They would, the other party, the Muslim party, they said they do not accept the historical evidence. They do not accept the, any scriptural evidence. And, we've heard them saying that they're not even, they do not accept or they don't find that it is an evidence, the ASI, which is a scientific report, and it's not even commissioned by some RSS, VHP or the BJP as they might contest. So it's a court-ordered survey, and whatever even the court has not based, its judgment on barely certain emotional or sentimental arguments. Court's instructions have been based on the records because this particular Kashi Vishwanath temple case has been in records even before independence, and we know it has. We know like since 1810 there is a record of the Hindu side fighting for its right till now. So this opening of the Vyasji Ka Tehkhana today for offering of the prayers, for offering of the puja, and obviously we know even it was argument in the court that the then government in the 1993 the priest from that Tehkhana who was performing the puja there, he was removed by the oral orders of the government. There's not even a written record that it was forcefully Hindus were stopped from going there. And today it is not just on a fancy of a court that suddenly a court has said no, let's open it for the thing. Court has given its due diligence. I may argue something here, the other party may argue something there that we don't think, but court is wise. Court has taken into consideration
let me get a comment from both Atikur Rahman and on the court observation.
And
on the court observation, Sadhvi Jayabharti, I'll quickly get in a comment from Zubair and Atik.
The order.
On your court observation, Zubair, you see, the court has said on record. I mean, the court has, obviously, they've observed that you can offer prayers. The district judge has said, instructed, in fact, the district magistrate to take over the basement, ensure that the puja starts within 7 days. Right? Now, you can't question the ASI. You can't say that ASI is controlled by the BJP, right? Now, the ASI has concluded, and you don't need proof. I mean, it's visible to the naked eye. They've concluded, and I have that report with me. It says that it can be said there existed a Hindu temple prior to the construction of the existing structure. Right? It's a known fact that prayers were allowed there till 1993. Zubair.
What is the known fact? Where are you quoting from that till 1993 the prayers were allowed? I would like to hear out the facts. Yes.
So they were allowed. You please go and do your homework.
Fact.
Please do
Can
your
you
homework.
read out or
Please
show
do
the
your
known
homework
facts?
in the Gyanvapi complex. Sir, Gyanvapi complex. I will show you the. No, I will show you. I mean, you have any doubt? I don't want to get into a spar with you. I will show you because I have limited time. Can you please give me your response to that? And I will immediately after the show send you a WhatsApp message. For paucity of time, I request your response because it's not about you versus me. I will send you the details about how prayers were allowed in the Gyanvapi complex once. Go ahead. Can you hear me? I think he's facing an electricity cut there, power cut. Atikur Rahman, you want to take that? Atik, the ASI says there is enough proof, ample evidence that there existed a Hindu temple prior to the construction of the existing mosque. Yeah.
Niranjan, we will continue to grievance this thing to the courts. All such moves are in violation of a parliamentary act, and also the Chief Justice of India some time back has said that the courts will not be directing the government to do X, Y or Z related to the places of worship.
Places of worship Act.
So why are we?
Why are no legal authority to interpret the law.
What is this?
The Places of Worship
your,
Act says that the nature.
I request you. I request you to Sadhvi Gyanvapi. Can you let him complete his point? Let him complete his point. There's very little time. Very little time. Let him complete his point.
It's
What
a
does this
baseless
show?
argument.
No, but let him complete his point. Sadhvi Jayabharti, I request you. We have very little time.
You are violating.
Sadhvi Jayabharti, you can counter and
you
let
are
him make his point.
violating every aspect
No, give him
of
30
democratic
seconds.
laws, judicial laws.
आराम से बात करो. No, don't shout.
You are making me shout.
Raise your voice.
Why are you
Go
making
ahead,
me
go
shout?
ahead, go.
Why
Go
do you
ahead.
interrupt?
Say what? Say
Niranjan is telling
let's not waste
you
time.
he
Go
has
ahead.
paucity of time.
Atikji.
Don't you understand
Atikji.
this? You are
Atikji,
deliberately.
go ahead, make your point. Let's not waste time.
doing
Go ahead,
this.
make your point. Go ahead, make your point.
Every
Go ahead, make your
such
point,
move
Atikji. Go ahead,
is
make your
in
point.
violation of a constitutional parliamentary act. How long we will be bearing this? This is nothing but a majoritarian hegemony by the government and the BJP and all their cohorts. We will continue our grievance with the courts. Why a parliamentary act are being, violated is this ugly fashion? For how long this will go on, Niranjan? Are we a banana republic?
Okay, let me take that further.
Understand and comprehend.
Okay. Got your point. Got your point. See, let me, because Zubair tried to act smart and ask me a question. Where is the proof? I'm coming to you. Salvi, I'll come back to you. I'll give you the last word. I'll give you the last word to respond to both of them. I want to ask Zubair a question. Zubair, you said, where is the proof? Who told you there were prayers there? Zubair, you read the affidavit, okay, filed in this particular case. Vishnu Shankar Jain, right, has given a written order. He's in the affidavit spoken about how there is no written order available with any government showing how Hindu devotees were stopped from offering prayers. He has said on record, Hindus used to worship there till 1993. You do some Google search, you'll get that. They used to worship there till 1993, but in November 1993, the then state government had unconstitutionally banned worship there. It's a matter of record. Zubair.
सर, मैंने इसके पहले भी आपको पूछा कि फैक्ट क्या आपके पास, तो आपने बहुत बेहतरीन फैक्ट लेके आए कि हिंदू पक्ष का जो वकील
मैं बोला हूँ
जो जैन समाज
लेके आया हूँ फैक्ट, देख लीजिए आप थोड़ा,
के वकील
आप
की
ही पढ़ लीजिए।
कि वो कहते हैं कि हिंदू समाज वहां पे प्रार्थना
मैं
करते
उसको
थे।
बोलता हूँ, एक और चीज बोलता हूँ आपको, सोमनाथ व्यास, आपने इतना पूछ रहे हैं ना, आपको बोल देता हो, ओके। ये जो पिटीशन फाइल
Facts
हुआ था
बताइए सर,
शैलेंद्र कुमार
पक्षकार तो बात
पाठक
करते
व्यास
रहेंगे।
अगेंस्ट
Facts
अंजुमन
बताइए,
इंतजामिया
facts।
मस्जिद कमिटी विच मैनेजेस द मॉस्क, अकॉर्डिंग टू द लॉसूट, वहां का जो प्रीस्ट है सोमनाथ व्यास, नाम भी बोल रहा हूं, आप इतने पूछ रहे आप। सोमनाथ व्यास used to perform prayers there till 1993 when the cellar was closed by the authorities. शैलेंद्र कुमार पाठक जो ये फाइल किया है, इज अ मैटरनल ग्रैंडसन ऑफ सोमनाथ व्यास। आप क्या बात कर रहे हैं, फैक्ट्स है।
आप सुन लीजिए, आपको सुनना है तो सुन लीजिए, बाकी बात करना है तो करते रहिए। 1993 का कोर्ट ऑर्डर ही इसलिए आया था कि वहां पे कोई ट्रेडिशन नहीं है कि रेगुलर वहां पे पूजा की जाए, और कोर्ट ने ऑर्डर ही इसलिए दिया था, बंद ही इसलिए किया था क्योंकि वहां पे कोई रिकॉर्ड्स नहीं मिले थे कि कंटिन्यूस वहां पे पूजा होती आई है। कोर्ट ऐसे कैसे ऑर्डर दे देगा? आज आप एक कोर्ट ऑर्डर की बात कर रहे हैं,
there is no court
तो उस
order of
कोर्ट ऑर्डर को आप
stopping.
मानते
Are
हैं
you
कि
not
नहीं?
able to understand? You know, this
1993 के
is
कोर्ट ऑर्डर को आप
anything,
मानते
कुछ
हैं कि नहीं? उतना
कुछ
बता
भी,
दीजिए।
irrelevant, uncontextually speaking, anything.
1993 के कोर्ट ऑर्डर को नहीं मानेंगे आप? वो गलत कोर्ट ऑर्डर था आपके हिसाब से,
1993 के कोर्ट
जिसने
ऑर्डर
रोक
में क्या
दिया था
लिखा था कि
या
आप यहाँ
मना
बंद
किया
कर
था कि आप मत
दीजिए.
कीजिए वहां।
It
वो
was
कोर्ट ऑर्डर ही
unconstitutionally without
इन्वेस्टिगेशन
any
के बाद
written
आया था।
record of the government. So if the court ordered, why would the government go and do an oral thing? आप तो हम 1993 के नहीं मान रहे, आप आज
आपको
के कोर्ट
सिर्फ
ऑर्डर को नहीं
वही
मान
कोर्ट
रहे,
ऑर्डर मानने
आप तो
हैं
राम मंदिर में भी
जो
नहीं मान
आपके
रहे
समर्थन में
थे.
आए।
तो आपसे
अगर
मेरे को
कोई
आपसे
ऑर्डर
मानना
आपके
नहीं है.
समर्थन
I'm
में
just
है,
जय भारती,
तो आप
bringing
उस
the bare
कोर्ट ऑर्डर
logic
को
to
भी
you. Give
मानने
me.
तैयार नहीं हो।
Can I speak now?
No, you cannot speak if you want to speak false.
Yes.
I'm not asking you, gentlemen. You're not even civil enough to be engaged in a discussion.
आपको हम
To be
सिविल
very
नहीं
frank
लगेंगे
to you.
ना, मुसलमान होना ही सिविल नहीं है।
नहीं।
दाढ़ी वाला एक बात कर रहा है
नहीं तो
सिविल
एक
नहीं
समय
है।
पे तो
कैसी
आपने हिंदू
बदतमीजी कर
होना भी
रही है
सिविल
आप?
नहीं रखा हुआ था.
The host-
जब आप लोग
नहीं,
जाकर के बोलते
please,
हो कि आप
Zubair,
कुछ
please
नहीं,
don't
it
make
is
such
civil.
comments, yaar.
आप
Zubair,
बोलते हो-
Zubair, we're
No,
talking
what is
facts.
this?
Zubair, you're talking. No, 1 second, 1 minute. Zubair, let's talk facts, yaar. Please,
Who
let's
is
not
this
waste
lady
time.
to give
Let's
a
not waste
certificate
time,
on
please. Zubair,
civilized
don't.
Is she
Please,
going to declare
you
on
asked
a
me.
debate
You
that a
asked for
Muslim
a
is
fact.
civilized or
You
not?
asked for a
Yes, I
fact.
am.
अरे मैं बोल रहा हूं ना, व्यास जी का ठिकाना। अरे भाई, कितने बार बोलूं आपको, कितने बार बोलूं? व्यास जी का ठिकाना मैं बोल रहा हूं, सुन लीजिए ना। आप सुनने के लिए तैयार नहीं है, फैक्ट्स के लिए पूछ रहे हैं। मैं बोल रहा हूं, तीसरी बार बोल रहा हूं। व्यास जी का ठिकाना लोकेटेड एट द सदर्न एंड ऑफ द ज्ञानवापी कॉम्प्लेक्स।
1993 में कोर्ट ऑर्डर आया है।
आपको पता भी नहीं है यार, आप डिनाइल पे रहो। आप
मानेंगे नहीं मानेंगे?
यू बी इन डिनाइल फॉरएवर। आई गिव साध्वी जय भारती द लास्ट वर्ड. साध्वी जय भारती, she'll respond to you and then we'll end the debate. I only because of paucity of time. Saadvi Jay Bharti.
Yeah, one thing first, he is going back to the 1993 order. 1993 order. It has been considered by the current bench also, and even considering that order, the new order has come, and the things have been opened. So nobody sitting here is as wiser as to interpret any judicial order, more than the current bench or the court. Another, we just come up after everything that the Parliamentary Act, Places of Worship Act. I want to give a clear insight into it. It says that the character of a religious place of worship will not be changed. It does not stop from ascertaining, from determining.
We'll debate again. I get a sense that this is going to be a subject that we will debate again and again in the days and weeks to come. Saadvi Jay Bharti, only because I've run out of time. I'm sorry to interrupt you. I didn't want to interrupt you only because I've run out of time completely. We'll take this forward. We'll take this forward. Atik, Zubair and Saadvi Jay Bharti, thank you for joining us. We'll debate again. Thank you very much.